Friends, if you are looking for a new 5G smartphone in the budget of $326.38, which can also look very good inside the camera, you can also do proper gaming inside it, you can also see the battery life for a whole day, and at the same time the display quality can also be seen at a very top level, then today's video is just for you people. Because in this video today, I am going to tell you about such top 5 best 5G smartphones that are going to be perfect all-rounders, and by 2026, you people get to see very good in the budget of $326.38. The Vivo T4 Pro 5G is the company's first smartphone with a 3x camera. On the camera front, the smartphone comes with a 50-megapixel rear camera with a Sony sensor and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. This Vivo smartphone is also going to be seen with a very good flexible Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, which will get a score of up to 1 million views, so that you can also enjoy gaming in the normal mid-range. Apart from this, the quality of the ultra-slim bezel-less quad-cover display that you get to see inside this smartphone is also very good. It comes with HDR10 Plus support and offers 6500 mAh battery life. The 90-watt charger is seen inside the box for charging. And now let's talk about the price. This Vivo smartphone is going to cost you $315.49 with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, which is no doubt going to be a great camera smartphone. The second smartphone in the list of the rest of the friends within $326.38 is the iQOO Neo 10R 5G smartphone. Personally, I can say that this is also available with me, and you will hardly find a better smartphone for gaming. Yes friends, it is a very good smartphone in both gaming and battery. Inside it, you're going to see the chipset of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to enjoy gaming like BGM up to 120 FPS in this segment, that too with a score of 17 million plus N2, so that with the help of its chipset you will be able to enjoy gaming without lagging. You can enjoy 5 to 6 hours of gaming at 90 FPS. For the rest of the charging inside this iQOO smartphone, 80-watt fast charging is also seen, which is a good thing. And these friends you get to see with a flat AMOLED display of 15K, which is also a good thing with 144 refresh. And this smartphone of iQOO is a very good smartphone for gaming as well as battery life. The quality of the rear camera is top notch. The selfie camera is going to look very normal. The rest of the time you will hardly find any better smartphone for gaming. The rest of the time you will see this iQOO smartphone with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage for $315.49, which is no doubt a very top level gaming smartphone under $326.38. Motorola S60 Pro 5G is one of the best smartphones on the market. The main camera on the back is a 50-megapixel Sony Light 780 sensor. There is also a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Apart from this Motorola smartphone is going to be seen with a true color display with a 15K lens, which will be a quad-cover display, inside which you will get to see what visuals you will get. 90W fast charging is seen, and these friends you people also get to see with IP68 and IP69 ratings. Durability also you people get to see very well. And these friends, let us talk to you people at the present time. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. RAM you will get to see with LPDDR5X RAM, and then it is a very good smartphone in terms of no doubt storage. And its price is a whole $326.38, which is a very good smartphone with the 256 GB variant at the moment. The Poco F7.5G is the latest smartphone from Poco to feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, with a score of 201 million, so that you can get an idea of its quality, how high performance you get to see, how stable gaming you can do. And the rest of you friends inside it, you're going to see a 6.83-inch OLED display with 15K lens, which is going to be a very good display. Inside you get to see Xiaomi's latest HyperOS system. There's a 50-megapixel camera on the back. Camera quality is also very good. No doubt is found with the rest of IP69 rating. What I will talk about is the dual glass that will be seen on the side design of its back, which is going to be seen at the top level. Another important thing is that it has a battery of 7550 mAh, which is good enough to last for a long time during no doubt gaming. This is my second best recommendation for you guys. For the rest of gaming for you people under rupees 326.38. And at the present time, you people will get to see rupees 337.26 with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. With the rest of the small storage, this is a very good smartphone under rupees 326.38. The OnePlus Nord 5 5G is one of the best smartphones on the market. Inside it you can see the chipset of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. No doubt a very good chipset for gaming. You can enjoy gaming inside it up to 144 FPS. Other than this, the quality of the dual 50 megapixel flexible camera that you will get to see on the back of it is also very good. So you can also see a very good DSAT camera for photography. In addition to this, you get to see an AMOLED display with 144 refresh, which is going to be very good quality. In this you get a battery of 6800 mAh, so it becomes a very good smartphone in terms of battery. The rest of its VC cooling system is also good, so it will not heat at all while gaming. The rest of this OnePlus smartphone with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage at the moment will get you a total of rupees 337.26. The rest of the bank offers are coming from OnePlus under rupees 326.38. Rest of you friends, these were the best 5G smartphones that you got to see very well under rupees 326.38. I have also tagged the rest of you friends in the description. You can go and buy them from anywhere else. If you have seen the video so far, please subscribe to our channel so that we can have a touch of success. So do subscribe to our channel and leave a comment and reaction too. Thank you for watching with patience.